when German company launch a new luxury sedan, Tesla a boomer poe, BT Economy, en leverage Links to Silicon Valley to test microchip en graphique powerhouse. Inolique taille in Italy. The Mediterranean Peninsula only an authentic maker of luxury sedan, en cutting edge consumer technology and webin Maserati forte. Beautiful car, sur. Compelling engine note, yup. The prioritization of handling motion above cornering speed en even ride quality? Absolutely. 3 years ago Maserati toute table print would be en hug for all new 4 portes. It was un. For starter, the car was beautiful. Comparé to the filigree purity of its predecessor, the coupe, a quality in Modena, looked awkward, even clunky. A big par of Tao at scope of the 124.8 inch wheel base, which made it nigh impossible to deliver the proportional elegance en une fuse panel pressing of its predecessor. Still, the deadline provided rear legroom t'attaque surveille to measure. More important en white en white Tao a good or bad, white didn't have. The no button te remote to open the trunk. No self-parking system, no reversing camera, definitely numéro 360° camera setup, no radar cruise control, no semi-autonomous steering, en no modern navigation or infotainment. By far the biggest Maserati, à 207.2 inch, it dwarf most of the standard version of almost any sedan. A new era, the 4 portes no some small visual change en hook driver assistance stuff, like radar cruise, to bring it up to German level. A list, t'as ton papier argument. No one of the 2017 model visual grade metallic. The change include a new plastic grille, inspired by the design language of Talfiri concept car, updated light, en some very subtle difference between the sporty grand sport and the more luxury grand lusso version, to a new trim package. In a tech world, the 4 portes it anti-Tesla. There are no plan to give the big boy en form of hybrid poe muscles a plug-in hybrid powertrain. Maserati engineer look you fini for mentioning hydrogen fuel cell or battery electric poe. Instead, Maserati love a good internal combustion motor, which iod because it do a Mac on right now. Diesel V6 no sold into come from nearby VM motori, will Ferrari knock out the fun stuff, in, admittedly, a plan it built with Maserati money.